Forgotten username recovery failed on Zopa Fix. If your Zopa username recovery keeps failing, you're probably feeling stuck, but the fix is easier than you think. The surprising truth is that Zopa doesn't rely heavily on usernames anymore. Instead, everything revolves around your registered email and the phone number linked to your account. When your recovery attempt fails, it usually means that Zopa can't find the details you've entered. To solve this, go to the Zopa login page or open the app, tap Forgot Login Details, and enter your email address. Zopa will send you a reset link to confirm your identity. Once verified, you can log in or reset your credentials immediately. If you never received the link, check your spam or junk folder. Many users miss recovery emails because their email provider filters them automatically. If you still don't see it, try searching your inbox for Zopa to find old account or confirmation messages. This helps confirm which email is actually registered. If you've lost access to that email, don't panic. You can reach out to Zopa's support team directly. Provide your full name, date of birth, and any linked account details like your loan or savings reference number. Once verified, they'll restore your account access and help you update your login details. Most people assume they've forgotten their username, but the truth is that Zopa's system is designed to make usernames unnecessary. It's your email that acts as your digital key. So if your forgotten username recovery failed, don't stress. Just make sure you're using the right email or phone number. Once you verify your identity, you'll be back in your account simple, secure and fast.